a knave, team lead phase 1. Vision and problem statement endurance athletes often struggle with inefficient training, overtraining, and injury due to lack of personalized guidance. Most training plans are static and fail to adapt to real-time physical condition, fatigue, or environmental factors. Our vision is to build an AI-powered platform that dynamically adjusts training plans based on real-time physiological and performance data. PeakMind AI aims to become a digital coach that understands each athlete individually, optimizing performance while minimizing injury risk. This problem matters because poor training decisions lead to burnout, injuries, and lost potential, especially among amateur athletes who lack access to professional coaching. Phase 2. Market analysis. Our target customers are amateur and semi-professional endurance athletes, including runners, trail runners, and triathletes aged 18-45 who actively train and use wearable devices, such as Garmin or Apple Watch. A typical user persona is a 2,535-year-old runner with stable income $5 million to $1,000 a month depending on region, already investing in gear and willing to pay $515 a month to improve performance and avoid injuries. The total addressable market TAM is the global fitness technology market, estimated at over $100 billion. The serviceable available market SAM, which includes endurance training and coaching platforms, is approximately $10 billion. Our serviceable obtainable market SAM is initially focused on Central Asia and Eastern Europe, estimated at $1,550 million, where endurance sports communities are growing and competition is relatively low. Key competitors include Strava, Training Peaks, and Nike Run Club. These platforms provide tracking and static training plans but lack deep real-time personalization. This creates a clear opportunity for an adaptive AI-driven coaching solution. Phase 3. Proposed solution. PeakMind AI is an intelligent training and recovery platform that acts as a personalized digital coach for endurance athletes. It dynamically builds and adjusts training plans based on real-time physiological data, predicts fatigue and injury risk, and provides recovery recommendations. For example, a user syncs their wearable device in the morning. If the system detects elevated resting heart rate and poor sleep quality, it automatically reduces training intensity and explains the adjustment. As recovery improves, training load increases again. This continuous feedback loop ensures optimal performance without overtraining. Key features include real-time training adaptation, AI-based recovery scoring, personalized race preparation, and wearable integration. Unlike traditional apps, PeakMind AI updates recommendations daily using live data, making training responsive and individualized. Phase 4. AI/ML approach. We use LSTM long short-term memory models to process time series physiological data, such as heart rate, pace, and recovery trends. These models are ideal for detecting patterns over time and predicting fatigue or performance changes. Reinforcement learning is applied to optimize training plans dynamically by learning from user responses and outcomes. Recommendation systems generate personalized suggestions based on user behavior and similar athlete profiles. Additionally, computer vision can be used to analyze running form and detect inefficiencies. Training data includes wearable sensor data, historical training logs, and user feedback. This combination allows us to build highly personalized and adaptive models. Phase 5. Data strategy. We collect data such as heart rate, pace, distance, sleep quality, recovery metrics, and training history. We also incorporate subjective inputs like perceived fatigue to improve model accuracy. Data is collected through integrations with wearable apps Garmin, Strava, as well as manual input within the app. Labeling is done through a combination of automated detection, e.g., fatigue patterns, and user feedback. We ensure full compliance with privacy standards by obtaining explicit user consent, anonymizing sensitive data, and storing information securely in cloud infrastructure. Users retain full control over their data. Phase 6. Technical architecture. The system is built on a scalable architecture The front end is a mobile application developed with React Native. The back end is powered by Python FastAPI, handling data processing and API communication. The ML layer is implemented using TensorFlow or PyTorch, where models generate predictions and recommendations. Data is stored in PostgreSQL, and cloud infrastructure as or GCP ensures scalability and reliability. Data flows from wearable devices to the backend via APIs, is processed by ML models, and returned to the user as personalized training recommendations in real time. Phase 7. Business model. PeakMind AI operates on a subscription model with 2 tiers. Basic plan, $5 month standard training plans, and analytics premium plan. $15 per month real-time AI adaptation, recovery insights. Advanced analytics. Additional revenue streams include B2B partnerships with running clubs, fitness centers, and corporate wellness programs. We estimate an average revenue per user ARPU of $10 a month. Customer acquisition will be driven through social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and collaborations with running communities and events. Phase 8. Go-to-market strategy. Our go-to-market strategy focuses on community-driven growth and early validation. Phase 1. 3 months. Launch MVP and onboard 100 beta users through running clubs and university networks in Almaty. Phase 2. 36 months. Run targeted ads on Instagram and TikTok aimed at wearable users with an expected CAC of $510. Phase 3. 612 months. Scale to 1,000 plus paying users through influencer partnerships and expansion into regional markets. We prioritize Central Asia due to lower competition and strong growth in endurance sports. Phase 9. Team and execution. Our team consists of a team lead and 5 ML engineers, combining technical expertise with real athlete experience. Team lead, endurance athlete with experience in long-distance running and background in it, and machine learning ML engineers, responsible for model development, backend systems, and data processing. We understand the problem from both a technical and user perspective. In the future, we plan to hire a mobile developer and a sports science advisor. Phase 10. Financial projections. Our financial model is based on an average subscription of $10 a month. Year 1. 1,000 users, $120,000 revenue costs, $300,000 net, $180,000 year 2. 10,000 users, $1.2 million revenue costs, $800,000 net, plus $400,000 year 3. 50,000 users, $6 million revenue costs, $2 meters net. $4 million break-even is expected at month 18. Estimated LTV, $120 estimated CAC, $10 phase 11. Social and environmental impact. PeakMind AI improves athlete health by reducing injuries and promoting sustainable training habits. We aim to achieve 1,530% reduction in injury rates, 510% performance improvement within 36 months. 70% plus user training consistency. We also aim to onboard 10,000 users within 2 years, with at least 30% from regions with limited access to coaching. Impact will be measured through injury reduction rates, performance metrics, user retention target, 60% plus after 6 months, and geographic accessibility. Phase 12. Scaling and future vision. We plan to scale globally by expanding into new markets and supporting additional sports such as cycling and triathlon. Key risks include competition and data accuracy. These will be mitigated through continuous model improvement and strong user experience. Our 5-year vision is to reach over 1 million users worldwide, reduce injury rates by up to 40%, and become the leading AI-powered coaching platform for endurance athletes